Hey y'all, it's ipsy unboxing time. It is literally 2:30 p.m. and I woke up at 2. So, looking rough. Literally just rolled out of bed pretty much. Okay, says, welcome home. It's Earth Month. We're embracing all things natural to show Mother how much we love her. As always, I do the bag first. Alright, this bag is so cute. Look. Just a little peach. This is adorable. First thing, this is from Elizabeth Mott. It's Sure Thing Vitamin C Cleanser. Kiss and Smink. This is a Lip Aura Tinted Lip Oil. It is peony. I say that wrong and I'm aware of it. I say it wrong all the time. I might have been okay that time, but every time I say that word, my sister makes fun of me. So let's not talk about it. Dew of the Gods Heaven Grade Hair Serum. This packaging is so pretty. Okay. Avant Advanced Bio Restorative Superfood Facial Oil. They sent me another product recently and gave it to my aunt and she absolutely loves it. Last thing, this is a Tarte Big Ego mascara. I'm assuming it's mascara. It is. I have box time. Alright, first thing, this is Glowiest Peekaboo Skin Perfecting Toner. It's cleansing, exfoliating, and pore refining. Pore refining. Lith High Definition Gel Eyeliner in the shade Coffee Bean. I was just saying to my sister that I needed a new gel eyeliner. Bear with me on this one. Misho liquid eyeshadow in the shade Magnifique. Okay, I've actually never had this before and I'm kind of excited because I know that everybody loves it. It is a Too Faced Better Than Sex Foreplay Instant Lengthening, Lifting, and Thickening Mascara Primer. I know so many people literally love Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I have seen it literally everywhere, but I've never bought it to try it. So I'm kind of excited. Last thing, it's so pretty looking. A Moon Prism Blush Cheek Palette from Lunar Beauty. Look how pretty the packaging is. It's so pretty. Y'all, that's so pretty. Alright, that was everything. Thank you for watching Ipsy's April unboxing. I say this at the end of every Ipsy unboxing, but I've done about a dozen of them. So if you're interested, they are on my page, YouTube, and TikTok pages.